This is a toilet flange that was not properly installed. As you can see, it is tilted and it is not flush with the floor. The PVC cement has cured and the flange cannot be removed. In most cases, you will find the flange has been screwed to the floor as well. These screws will need to be removed before starting. With the use of a sawzall, also called a reciprocating saw, I simply put it flush with the concrete and cut the flange off. Once the flange is off, use the saw and make sure the cut is flush to the floor. Now what you have left is the sleeve of the flange that has been glued in to the main drain pipe. The flange sleeve needs to be removed. Cut through this sleeve using your saw. Make sure the saw blade is straight up and down. Make sure you stop sawing as soon as you get to the outer drain pipe. You do not want to saw through that outer pipe. Reposition your saw at several segments around the inner sleeve. It may be a challenge to keep the saw from going into the drain pipe. In this case, I got lucky and I did not saw all the way through. However, I did mar the inside of the drain pipe just a little bit. Next, take a rag and stuff loosely down into the drain pipe. This should catch all the pieces that you will later chip out. In order to chip the pieces out, I use a small wood chisel. I simply place the chisel edge where the flange sleeve meets the outer pipe. With a few light taps of the hammer, a piece comes free. I will repeat this process all the way around until the inner flange has been removed. Do not worry if there are some minor chips taken out of the edge of the top of the drain pipe, or if there are some saw scratches on the inside. Just do your best to clean and smooth out the inside using a rag or some sandpaper if needed. Once clean, make sure you remove the rag from the inside, and you are now ready to properly install the new flange.